Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be sharing my 8 days vacation in Moalboal, a municipality on the southwestern coast of Cebu Island in the Philippines. It's known for its stunning beaches, vibrant coral reefs, and rich marine biodiversity, particularly the famous Sardines Run. It's bordered by the Tanyon Strait to the west and can see Negros Island. It's about 89 kilometers, 55 miles from Cebu City, reachable by 3-hour bus ride. Please watch the full video, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell icon for more updated videos. Please like and share, and you may share your thoughts by leaving a comment so I could visit and connect to your channel. I will be sharing a series of videos during our trip in Moalboal, so please stay tuned for more. In this video, I will give you a full tour of the accommodation that we are staying in Moalboal. It's called AVILA'S HOSTEL. This is located in Basdiot Moalboal, 1.2 km away to the iconic Sardines Run in Panagsama Beach, and 15 minutes drive to White Beach Basdako. A good friend recommended us to stay in this hotel since he knows the owner. So we get a 50% discount. So this is the room that we are staying. We stayed in that Nipa Hut. Published rate of that is 2,000 pesos, good for two, with ensuite bathroom, air condition. I will give you a full tour of that room shown in this video. This property is gated. That's the front view. I love the nature vibe with all those palm trees. So that's the swimming pool. All in-house guests have free pool access. It's open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. Breakfast is upon request, so they offer Filipino and American breakfast. They also offer tours and activities, special occasion, room setup, car transfers, motorbike rentals. This place is very quiet, good for sleeping, and it's a good staycation, perfect for relaxation. So we are very lucky during our stay. We are the only guests staying in this hostel. So it's like staying in a private villa. So we are very lucky. So we have all the place by ourselves. So they have a manager on duty. They have another 2 staff who are very friendly and accommodating. They have a kitchen, so for in-house guests, they are allowed to cook. They will charge 200 pesos. That's all day cooking already. So they have all the kitchen utensils you can use. They also sell beverages like juice and beers. So this is the standard room. So they have 2-room category. So this is the standard room, good for 2, with in-suite bathroom. Room rate is 1,700 pesos only for 2 packs without breakfast. So their shower is designed like a bamboo. This is the family room, good for 4 packs. Room rate is 3,000 pesos with in-suite bathroom. And this is the shared dormitory rooms. This is the room that we are staying. It's a Nipa Hut, good for 2 packs. So let's get inside. This is quite small, just enough for 2 people. So that's the first door for the bedroom, and that's the room for the toilet. So they provide shampoo and soap, hand soap. So it's hot and cold shower. That's the design of their shower, like a bamboo. There's also a bidet.